Of rational number with different denominator like 1 upon 9 plus 1 upon 15. When you have different denominator, your first work is to take out LCM. So take out LCM of 9 and 15. Okay. Both of them, if you observe, 9 and 15, both of them comes in 3 table. So we can write here 3. 3 3s are 9. 3 5s are 15. Now both of them are prime number. So we can take one by one. 3 1s are 3. Write 5 as it is. Then write 5 1s are 5. And your LCM will be 3 3s are 9. 9 5s are 45. Okay. Now that means our denominator here, which is 9 and 5, should be 45. We'll start with the first part, that is 1 upon 9, and check that which number 9 should be multiplied to get 45. Sometimes you're confused with the table or any other thing. Just check it out in the LCM what you have taken out. You have 3 3s are 9. What is left here? 5. That means 9 5s are 45. So 9 is already there. This part is already there. What is not there? 5. So you can multiply denominator by 5 and even the numerator by 5. So whatever you take in the denominator, the same number you have to take in the numerator. Check next. 1 upon 15. Still, few of them don't know the table and you get confused now which number I should multiply so that I should get 45. Okay, from here you check. You have 5 3s are 15. Okay, it's matching. 5 3s are 15. So what is left? 3 is left. Multiply by 3. That is 15 3s are 45. What do you multiply here? Multiply numerator with the same number. You'll get here 45 both in the denominator. Now you can multiply the numerator. 5 1s are 5, 9 5s are 45. Here also 3 1s are 3, 15 3s are 45. Okay, now as the denominators are same, we can add numerator 5 plus 3 upon 45. That is 8 upon 45. If you can cancel, but they don't come in the same table, so no need to cancel. Addition of rational number when you have different denominator. Let's consider 1 upon 12 and 1 upon 48. Your first step will be always when your denominator is different, find out LCM of it. Like it is 12 and 48. Both of them goes by 2 table. Try to find out LCM with the prime number only. So start with 2. 2 6 are 12. 2 2s are 4. 2 4s are 8. 2 2s are 4. 2 4s are 8. Then both of them comes in 3 table. 3 2s are 6. 3 8s are 24. Both of them comes in 2 tables. Start with 2. 2 1s are 2. 2 4s are 8. 2 2s are 4 and 2 1s are 2. Other all 1 you can write as it is. So finally LCM is, if you take out the LCM of it, 3 2s are 6 and here I think it is 2 2 4, 4 2s are 8. 8 6 are 48. That is the LCM of 12 and 48. 2 3s are 6 and here 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8. 8 6 are 48. So your LCM is 48, means that shows that your denominator should always be 48 in this question. Both of them should be 48. You have one already, it's a fraction as a 48. Okay, we'll convert this rational number as a 48 12. So again, I told you if you don't know the tables also, you can easily find out 12. See from here, 2 2s are 4 and if you multiply with 3, it is 3 4s are 12 and you're left with 2 2s. Okay, 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are 12. So 12 is there. What is there? First count that. Remove that out. You are left with 2 2s. 2 2s are 4. If you multiply 12 into 4, you will get 48. Whatever you are multiplying in the denominator, write down the same thing in the numerator. Similarly, now here I don't think you have to make any changes because 48 is LCM. So you can write 1 upon 48 as it is because we require 48 as LCM. So here 4 ones are 4. 12 into 4 is 48 plus 1 upon 48. This will become 5 upon 48. As both of them comes in different table, no need to cancel. This will be the answer. Of rational number 1 upon 33 and 1 upon 44. As denominators are different, first take out LCM of these two numbers, that is 33 and 44. If you observe them, both of them comes in 11 table. 11 3s are 33, 11 4s are 44. Now 3 and 4 both comes in different table. You can write any one, that is 3 1s are 3, then write down 4. 4 comes in 2 table, 2 2s are 4, write 1 as it is. Again 2, that is, it comes in 1 table, that is 2 1s are 2, can put here. Now find out the LCM of this. LCM will be 11 3s are 33, 2 2s are 4. That is, you have to multiply 33 into 4, you will get 132. Okay, so LCM is 132. That's why I told you, whenever you're writing, please write, even if it is 4 and no other numbers are there, still write down, use only the prime numbers. Use 2, 2 2s are 4, 2 1s are 2, because now when you're writing and calculating this, it will be very, very helpful to you. Like here it is asked, you have first number is 1 upon 33. And 33, if you say 11 3s are 33, what is left here? 2 2s are 4. Even if you don't know the table of 33, should be able to solve. 11 3s are 33. That's already present here. What is left? 2 2s are 4. So 4 you can write down here. Multiply both numerator and denominator by 4. Same thing you can see here. Here 1 upon 44. Select two numbers which is representing 44. That's 11 4s are 44. It is 11 into 2 into 2. That is 44. So what is left here? 3. So we are going to multiply both the number by 3, and 44 into 3 will be 132. 33 into 4 will be 132. So it will be easy for you if you are doing in this method. You don't have to divide or do any other things. 44 like 11 4s are, remove all those numbers which is already present here and select only which is left. So you can write this as 4 1s are 4 and it's 132 plus 3 1s are 3, it's 132. Now when you're solving this, as the denominator is same, now you can add the numerator. 4 plus 3 is 7 upon 132. So this is the answer, that is addition of a rational number with different denominators.